Hello, my name is Adam Price and I am at the DBpixelhouse booth at ISE 2020, and I want to talk to you a little bit about Pixel Brix. So Pixel Brix is a modular wall that is made of tablets. We can use any device for this. In this particular instance we're using iPads, which is an everyday object people are familiar with using. And what we've done is we've broken this down into one video wall. But what I can also do is I can take a tablet off the wall, and it then turns into a TouchUp. So from this TouchUp, I can then open separate videos, or it may be that I want to turn this into an augmented reality app, or you may want it to go directly to your own website. But essentially what we're doing is we're allowing the user to come and take a piece of the wall and use it as an interactive TouchUp. What I'm also doing is tracking data here, so every time somebody uses a video or watches something on this, we know exactly what they're watching and how many times a video has been played. And if I pop this back, now you might be thinking, what happens if someone puts an iPad back in the wrong place? It's fine, they know where they belong and they would just swap the video over, so you're not going to get a mixed up video wall. But I'll trigger a tracked video here. So if I play my tracked video, then you'll see that it starts to play music now as well. This can be a completely separate video. We've got one, you might have up to 10, 15 different videos that you want to display, so we'll allow you to have a master iPad that you can use to fire content at the Pixel Brix wall. I've got a smaller one just to the right here as well, so we've got some of these in portrait, we've got some of them in landscape, and this is a smaller version if you didn't quite have the space for this. Likewise, we've done these with up to 250 iPads recently as well, so we can make these as big or as small as you like. So yeah, that's Pixel Brix, and that's a very small snippet of what it can do. There's a lot more that we can do with this. We can tie it in with other solutions that we've got. So if you want to know more about it, just drop us a call or an email. You can get in touch with us on our website, www.dbpixelhouse.com. My name is Adam Price. Thank you.